Now this amoeba is a Biomyxa vagans, a rare amoeba whose pseudopods are formed like a network. They're called reticulopodia. They're especially useful in entrapping prey. This species feeds on nematodes, worms that is. Watch the following scenes to see what happens. This was only the first of a series of videos that I'm gonna do about this peculiar organism. I will show you more clips of Biomyxa devouring different kinds of prey, but also about its cell structure and behavior. If you found this interesting and you want to see more, subscribe so you don't miss it.